Hi, this is Mark Wadinski from Seattle. In this video, I'm going to do a little coaching on how to do social proof. It's part of a coaching series that they have in our group. Basically, what you're going to do is once you start getting paid from eBay or Amazon or affiliate commissions, it's how to make a picture, right? Then copy the picture and then post it on Facebook, okay? And then I'll go one step further and show you how to do an image ad on a classified ad section called Backpage. So first thing you want to do is go to Google, open up Google, type in Jing. It's a piece of software that captures photographs. So you downloaded it to your computer. Once it's on your computer, you can have this little sun up here. And first thing I want to do is I want to find a picture I want to copy. So I'm going to go to my DS Domination back office. I only got about 10 bucks in there now because I just cashed out. But anyway, this is for illustration, just going to show you how to make a photograph. So first thing I want to do is I want to put my arrow here over this sun, and on the plus sign I want to click this where it says capture. This little cross thing will open up, and wherever you put the cross and click, that's where it'll start. And you just move your mouse while holding your left key down, and it'll highlight like so. So once I get this section all highlighted, I let go of my left key of my mouse, and this little pop-up will come down. So I want to capture image, so I'll click this little icon here. It captures the image. Now I'm going to name it DS Money, okay? And then I want to save it. And I'm going to save it to my, I got an image folder set up. So it's right here, the image folder. It's called DS Money. So I'm going to save it into this folder. I will close it. Now, if you want to take this picture and upload it on Facebook, just go to your Facebook, go to your status, right? You probably want to write something in there. I made $1 million today, blah, 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 whatever. And just add photo, upload photo, and I'll go to my DS Money image I just captured. Right here. Click on it, boom, open it. And there's my image right there. And all I want to do probably now is I'm rich or whatever, right? And basically you're showing people that, you know, that you made money on the internet, okay? But you want to write something like, sort of like, hey, I made money today, copy and pasting, inbox me if you want to know I did it, or something like that, right? And then have people respond to you, right? So if you're going to start doing this, make sure every day you're adding new people, right? Because some of your friends and stuff might not even be interested in it. So make sure you get new blood. The more blood you get, the more money you make, because they're going to ask you how you did it. So anyway, I'm done with that. Now I want to use my image, and I want to make an ad, a clickable ad. So I have one here that I did. I'm in the back office of our marketing system. So I want to change capture page because it shows all the images here. And I got to log in, of course. I logged in. So I just
Hello, I
want
just
to
want.
go to the capture page section. I'll just show you the one I just done just a few minutes ago. It's on this Navy vet right here. So I captured this whole image, right? And I'm going to make an ad with it. But to make an ad, you got to convert this to HTML, okay? So before we do all of this, you want to get before you do any kind of advertising online, you want to get a tracker. Basically, it tracks people who click on your link, so you know your advertising is working. So over here, I use a program called, right here, it's called Track Me. This is the program I use. These are all the different pages I advertise and stuff. And I just started doing some back page stuff just a little while ago, and I already got 7 clicks to that ad. So anyway, this little program here, I think it costs it's free for 30 days, and it costs $10 a month or whatever. It's really cheap, but you can deduct that in your taxes at the end of the year anyway, so it's a business expense. So anyway, let's go back over here and start. So I copied this using Jing, okay, and next thing I did is, here's another program you'll need. It's called Tiny Pick, okay. And I already did one, so I'm going to do another one. It's a free program. So you're just going to go to Tiny Pick here, and I'll show you how this works. Wow, it's really slow. Anyway, okay, we're here. So, first thing you're going to do, you're going to have the screen pop up here. You want to choose your file. And I'll choose called Broke Vet. Click on it, open it. So you want to add tags, whatever, Broke Vet, or whatever. And now you want to resize it. The size I like using is the message board size, 640 by 480. Now you upload it now. Usually it'll ask you for a capture code, but since I did it already, it didn't ask me. So all you're going to do is, you want the HTML for websites. You click on this, then right click and copy the code, the HTML code, right? You have a notepad open. And here's my previous one I did right here, but I'll do it again for illustration. So you want to copy your code into your notepad right here. Now, under this href, we're going to change this portion of it in the quotes to your website, right? And since I'm using this tracker I told you about, I got to go over here to my tracker, Backpage Vet. Here's the tracker I made, right? I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to put it back in the code right here. So I'm going to put it there, control, paste, boom, there it is. There's my tracker link, right? So anyway, and over here under alt image, if you want, you can put your name in here. So every time somebody types in your name in Google, you'll start seeing these images pop up. So it kind of brands yourself. But you don't have to do it if you don't want to. But anyway, that's done. Okay, so you're going to copy this whole code from the start of this A to the bottom, and the brackets too. Copy everything, control right, copy. Go over the back page, right? It's over here. And all you want to do is just post an ad. I want to do it in a major city. And I already picked out the city I'm going to do it in. And it's not Phoenix. I want to go to a different city. So here we are. I want to choose Dallas, Texas. Oops. Dallas. Do it under Biz Ops right here. Click that. You're going to click Post Ad. Services. Business Opportunities. Dallas. Title. I already did a title. So I'm going to say like unemployed vet. Navy vet. Just put 6. Months. In the description, you right click and you paste that code. Here's the code. Okay. All else you need to do is an email address, because you'll need to click on this to make sure it's live. Okay. Now I'm going to show you something down here. This auto repost ad, this box here. I'm not going to do it now because you got to put in your credit card, but I'll do it after the video is done. But anyway, you click on this. I'm going to repost it every day at 9 a.m. or 11 or whatever. I'm going to do it 26 times. So every day at 9 a.m. this ad will renew on Backpage. It only cost me $3 for the whole month, and that's pretty awesome. So anyway, I'm not going to do it today on this video, but I'll do it after later. But anyway, hit continue. Gotta type in your little code. Right? Place ad now. To make your ad live, you gotta go to your email, right? And you gotta click the link and it'll be live. So go into my email. I already got it open. Well, of course, wrong email, so I gotta go into my other email. Almost there. Okay, here's one I did before, and here's another one right here. Backpage is a pretty decent tool, but you just gotta put in a lot of cities. There's a lot of, you got your competition out there, right? There it is. There's the image I just did, right? And to see if this works, if I click on this, it should go to the capture page, and the capture page should look exactly like this. So let's try it. Voila. There it is. Put in your name and email, right? And there you got your capture page on Backpage, right? Now I'm doing the paid version for $3, and this is going to go for a whole 30 days. So if you can spend, $30-50, you can go in like a lot of cities, like 10 or 20 cities, major cities. And depending on your ad, you can get traffic and get signups, right? This is a good way to promote your business. So anyway, going back through the tools,